Hi everybody! Well, we are now ready to start unboxing a whole box of diamond paintings. So we're going to start unboxing. And to make this a little bit more interesting, I'm going to let the phone app tell me which one I'm going to do. So I got all of them plugged in. And we're going to spin to see which one I'm going to unbox first. So let's spin. What is it going to be? The Kissing Sugar Skull. The Kissing Sugar Skull. So let me get in my box here and find them. I have a few and more. Okay, there they are. But yeah, and I still have two more after this. So yeah, I have quite a few. That's why we're using this, so I can kit up a bunch. Since these are going to be put underneath the bed, for this is going to be put, yeah, I still haven't got left and right yet. This is going to go underneath the bed in the storage, and this is going to go in the suit bag. I'm going to hang it up so it will straighten. So let's open it. We know this is, first of all, let's make our tag. This is Kissing Sugar Skulls. So, here we go. I can move the phone away because now if you look, I had them hide, so now Kissing Sugar Skull is gone. So now it's ready for the next spin. For the next one. So let's see what this one is. I just kind of made a Amazon list and said, okay, I'm going to put a bunch on Amazon on the other lists category and then go in and randomly pick and then see where that goes. So that's what I did, is I randomly picked the ones that I have now. I just went through and said, oh, I like that, and put it on the list. And then when it was time to buy, I said, okay, let's just see, and I randomly picked. Every one comes with a set. If you've seen a previous unboxing, you will know that all of them come with a set. I just put those aside, and I have them all packed away, so if I know anybody that may need some extra pens or some trays, all they have to do is shout and I can get some sent. So here are our diamonds for our canvas. So let's break into these. And these look like these are numbered as well. And they do not have the codes on them. So this is another one when it comes time to kit these up. I will have to be very careful. If you've seen the last one, when I did the wolf, I kind of got lost a little bit. I had to fix them. So these are very, these are a little tricky. You have to really pay attention to these. But we're not ready for this. So we have our Kissing Sugar Skulls. We have our little art bag. We're just going to put these diamonds in. Put them in the case under the bed for when I have this pop up to do. Which, since I've already got 2 of them, one project I need to get done in a week. The Sugar Skulls is my Easter present, so I can wait on that. I know I got it. It's good. So, this one we can eat over into the chair, because this little table doesn't have much room. We can put the pen away. All we need now is our handy little scraper to try to smooth this out. Once this gets smoothed out, I will put it on a hanger. What it is I took a suit bag and I put pant hangers in it, and then I just hang it up, and of course it'll start to straighten. And that is behind me. So to show you, I'm going to have to move everything. But if you see the chat video, I do show in the chat video I show what it looks like. But when it gets time for my first project, I'll get it down. It's hanging up right now. I'll get it down and I'll show you. Okay, so what we're doing is we're just rolling to try to get this as straight as possible. We want to try to give it the best fighting chance. Okay, so then we want to roll it this way. You always want to go opposite the way it's packaged to straighten it out. You can like roll it, but don't flatten it. Just smooth it out there, and then smooth it. See, this is, let's see. It's kind of hard to, yeah, it was the right way. This way. You can see the little kissing skulls. I thought this was so cute. I love sugar skulls. So yeah. So what we're going to do is try to give this as much help as possible. We're going to take the film and just go halfway down, or a little over half back. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put it back up, but you're going to try to smooth it out as much as possible. And this may require picking up your paper a few times. It's okay, you can do that, because you want it to try to be as wrinkle-free as possible. I know my hand's in the way. Let me change this around here, so maybe my hand won't be in the way. You just want to try to smooth it out as much as possible, because that will help smooth it out a little more here. And then go halfway and just barely lay it down. Smooth it out. And if it's not 100% perfect, it doesn't matter that much, because I will be, when I kit this up, I will be putting the paper on, so that will help it. I just want to give it a little fighting chance. So that's it. Let me hold it up a little closer so you can see the symbols and all of that. All the symbols and letters. And then you have your key over here. Over here is your key. And so, for instance, A, you find A. There it is, A. And that looks like it's, I'm trying to read backwards here. like your A, you would look for your A symbol, 939. You would grab a pot with your letter A, and you would just put them where all the A's are. It's that easy. It's very easy to do. So, this is ready to go. We have our little art paper, plastic with our diamonds in it. It's ready to go. So this can just be hung up until it's time to do this project. So this was a short video. Most of the unboxings will be short. Maybe a little bit of repetition at first, but then as I learn new tips and tricks, and if there's any questions, I can answer those. Just leave me questions in the previous unboxing so I can see them, and then I know to answer on the current one. And I will try to get all the questions answered. Even if I may not know them, I will find the answers if possible. So that's it for this one. This one's ready to go. So I just wanted to leave you with have a good night or day whenever you're watching this. That I love you, and I am thankful that you are here watching me. Stay healthy and safe. And don't forget to be that light in the darkness, because right now we need it more than ever. Bye.